In this video, we're going to add extra data to the chart. So at the moment the chart is showing sales and expenditure. If I click on the data, which is the chart advanced tab, I can now see I've got profit in the data as well. So I want to add profit to the chart. I'm going to go back to the chart. The chart is now selected, it's got dots around it. I'm going to go to the design tab, select data. I now want to add data. So I click the add button, go straight back to my data. The series name is the heading, so that's going to be profit. The series values is going to be the numbers, so that's going to be all the number values. Click OK. I can now see the profit chart and at the bottom the legend. Click OK once more, and the data has now been added to the chart, and the chart is nice and clear for presentation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you for the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.